I know someday you go away, but why'd you have to leave so suddenly? Pardon me if I refuse to understand. I'll go on smiling through my tears. Sure is hard to say goodbye, I know, but time ain't always working on our side. Just when we thought we had it all worked out, you left me smiling through my tears. I wish I didn't miss you so, but I do, I do. And I wish I hadn't loved you so, but I did, I really did. Smiling through my tears again. Oh, I just lost my dearest friend. Don't know why, but I must go on, it seems, and fill my life with memories, and keep on smiling through my tears.